Take command of the road in the 2014 Ford F-150. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 5-liter 8-cylinder engine. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.